You say your money was $1,000, right?
Yes, baby.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's for you. You only still want that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's for you. Let me drop people. Let me carry my bag, okay?
Okay,
I'm coming.
Okay. She make your time, oh.
My people.
Oh, she.
Yeah, let me go and drop people.
Don't worry, Chief. Don't worry.
Just go and have your seat.
No, come on, rest. We'll go on.
Okay, you go by yourself.
Yes, we're
Find our
already
way.
calm.
Okay.
Let's go.
Thank you guys.
Okay.
Hope to enjoy with you people soon again.
Yes, so cheap.
What is it? What was this? What are you trying to do?
I saw those ladies and they were putting poison inside your drink. So I want you to just put this in your mouth and pretend as if you are dead, please.
I don't know what you are doing. What are you doing?
Just pretend. Just pretend. Just pretend. Hey, good.
So this is how wicked you people can be.
No.
I overpaid you people.
I'm sorry now.
I overpaid you people.
just
The normal
looking
price
for
you people
you.
charge is $500. I paid you people $1,000. You people see at the mind.
No, we
You
are
are the
sorry.
mind.
No. We just promised us to know.
No, you came inside. Oh, you are still lying. Okay, no
No.
problem. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And don't pick six. You should take 3. Don't pick some. Pick some. Pick some.
Obi,
Just pick some.
are you sure?
Yes, pick.
Action.
Increase of money. Increase of money. Let me do fast before that. My housemate come and see me. Money cannot even produce good money. You got $50. Your pickles has been over.